2 free open-source tools are here to let you do the impossible with photos. Move eyes, shift expressions, animate lips, make any photo look alive. Today I'm showing you how these powerful tools work and exactly how to install them on your computer. Let's get right into it. The first tool we're using is called FacePock. I'll drop the link in the description. It's completely open source and available on Hugging Face. FacePock uses the powerful live portrait model created by the same company behind Kling AI. This tool lets you control anyone's expression using a reference video, making it incredibly versatile. Using FacePock is straightforward. Just upload your photo with support for JPEG, PNG, and WebP formats. Though, trust me, JPEG works best for smooth results. So, when you upload the photo, make sure to checkmark the face mark option. Once that's done, hover over the face, and you'll see yellow lines appear. When you hover over areas like the eyes, eyebrows, or lips, the system detects those features. This makes it incredibly intuitive to use. If you move the mouse around, you can control the direction of the head. Just guide it where you want, and the head follows. For finer control, try hovering over the eyes and dragging the mouse down to close them, or drag up to open them. The same works with the lips and eyebrows. Click and drag to adjust the expression. If you don't click, just move the mouse and the head will follow. But if you click on the face, you can tilt it precisely by dragging to any position you want. This intuitive click and drag setup gives you full control over facial expressions, making it easy to achieve the exact look you're going for. Now let's look at another example with the Mona Lisa. Notice that I'm not clicking on anything, just hovering the mouse, and her head is moving. This simple action showcases the power of AI tools, allowing anyone to bring classic portraits to life in ways we couldn't have imagined before. If you want to download it locally, you can absolutely do that. But keep in mind that these tools require a somewhat powerful machine to run smoothly. I'll provide the GitHub link with detailed installation instructions in the description, so you can follow the step-by-step process. It's a bit lengthy, so I won't go through every step here, but this document will walk you through everything you need to know to get it up and running.